It's Sunday, and initially I was just gonna throw on an athleisure set, go run my errands, and call it that. But I'm trying to get dressed more. Even if I'm just running errands, I wanna actually wear the clothes in my closet because I have so many and I don't wear them because I work from home and I'm not really outside like that. So I want to spruce up, even just going to get some groceries for the week. So we're gonna put a fit together. And the star of the show is this green skirt. So initially, I can't lie, I was gonna wear this black dress with a belt that I'm planning to wear on Thursday, but I figured, Lauren, you have these clothes in your closet, wear them and stop wearing the same thing. So we're gonna wear this skirt. It's from a brand XCVI. I don't know if it's supposed to be Roman numerals, but I'm just gonna say XCVI, and it is an extra small. And it is so cute. I love the knitting at the bottom, and I love that the green is not a bright green. It's fairly like an ashy, olivey, khaki type of green. So let's put it on and see what black top works best, and if I can incorporate a belt in any way. This is the final outfit. Again, we have the skirt that we're featuring. No matter what, I was leaving the house wearing this skirt. And I tried on a few tops. I didn't film it because if you know, you know. And I'm like, Lauren, just throw a tank top on, add a little belt to give it a little oomph. We're matching the black with the black, brown. I'm gonna have on some brown little sandals. And I think this is perfect for a Sunday, running errands, but feeling put together, because that's what life's about. Trying to work on slowing down because I feel like on the weekend it's my time away from work and I want to do a bunch of things. I thought about hanging out at the pool, but I'm honestly tired, so it's going to be a good challenge for me to just relajarse today and not have to do anything further than the grocery shopping I already did and then cooking dinner later. So I'm going to make myself a little snack and watch a new show. I've been watching The Rookie, and I love The Rookie, but I need to savor it, and I've been running through it. I'm already on season 4 out of 7, and I started probably not even a month ago. So I'm gonna start a new show and just relax. And just like that, my snack is served. And this looks incredible. We've got yogurt with chia seeds and cinnamon raisin granola. And then we have some turkey bacon with 2 different types of bagels. One with blueberries and cream cheese, the other with bananas and peanut butter. So now I'm going to relax, eat this delicious food, turn on 56 days, see if I like it. Otherwise, I'm going back to watching The Rookie, but let's relax. I'm so excited to eat.
2 hours later.
I can't seem to relax, so something I like to do, especially on a Sunday, is go to the gym, but not to work out, but instead just to use the spa services. So I'm gonna jacuzzi, sauna, steam room, shower, and then by the time I get home, cook dinner, I can be fully relaxed because I've just been at home all day and I honestly can't sit down. So I need to get out, but I also need to relax. So that will definitely help me relax. So this is the bathing suit I'm wearing. I'm not gonna show you the bottoms, of course, but time to go to the gym.